Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll walk you through how to create a Facebook story with photos or videos right from the mobile app. To create a Facebook story using your mobile, first open the Facebook app. From your newsfeed or profile, tap Create Story or simply tap the plus icon. Next, choose photo or video or the camera icon and select one or more photos or videos from your gallery, or use Take Photo or Record Video to capture something new. Once you've made your selection, tap it to open the Story Composer and preview your items. You can now edit each photo or video by pinching and dragging to reposition or zoom, and applying filters. To add overlays, tap the letter A icon to insert text. Use the sticker icon to add stickers, or tap the music icon to attach a song. You can move these elements around by dragging them and adjust their size by pinching. If you'd like to control who sees your story, tap Story Setting in the lower left corner and tap the Privacy or Audience Control option and select from Public, Friends, Close Friends, or a Custom Audience. Then tap Save. Finally, when everything looks good, tap Share to Story or Share and wait for the upload to finish. Your story will now be live for 24 hours. And that's it. That's how you can easily create a Facebook story with photos or videos and share it for 24 hours.